Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Ego string trimmer is probably one of the most innovative tools to hit the market in years. This string trimmer is a game changer for anyone tired of gas-powered headaches. With its powerful battery and user-friendly design, it's a breeze to tackle any yard task. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a weekend warrior, this trimmer promises to make your life easier and your lawn the envy of the neighborhood. Number 5. Ego Power Plus ST1521S15 String Trimmer with POWERLOAD. Introducing the EGO Power Plus String Trimmer. This trimmer is battery-powered, making it convenient and easy to use. It's designed to tackle weeds and grass with ease. This trimmer features POWERLOAD technology. Simply load the line, push a button, and you're ready to go. It simplifies the trimming process. With a 15-inch cutting swath, it covers a wide area. This feature helps you get the job done faster and more efficiently. It uses a dual-feed spiral twist line, 0.095 inches in diameter. This durable line ensures a clean and precise cut every time. The trimmer is equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor. This motor provides more power and longer run times. It's built to last. It also has variable speed control. You can adjust the speed to match the task at hand. This feature provides greater control and versatility. This string trimmer is battery-powered. It includes a 56V 2.5Ah battery and charger. It offers the convenience of cordless operation. What we like. This trimmer features the innovative POWERLOAD head, making line replacement a breeze. Its high-efficiency brushless motor provides ample power and extended runtimes. If you value convenience and efficiency in your yard work, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It is noticeably lighter than my old Echo and significantly quieter. It does a very good job of cutting the grass in either standard trimming such as along a fence line as well as along mulched areas where I have to hold it upside down. The EGO is excellent in this wild service, actually better than my gas-powered Echo. This machine really goes after it. There's more than enough power. Number 4. Ego Power Plus 15 String Trimmer and Edger Kit. Introducing the EGO Power Plus Multi-Head System Kit. This kit includes a powerful power head and multiple attachments for all your yard work needs. It's designed to make your outdoor tasks easier and more efficient. The 15-inch string trimmer attachment features a rapid reload head. It comes pre-wound with professional-grade .095-inch dual-twist line. This trimmer will make quick work of your trimming tasks. The 8-inch edger attachment includes an 8-inch edger blade and a guide wheel. It has a depth adjustment knob for a 3-inch edging depth. This attachment will give your lawn a clean, professional look. The power head features a high-efficiency brushless motor. This motor delivers long run times, low vibrations, and an extended motor life. It's built to handle tough jobs. This kit is built to last with its IPX4 rated weather-resistant construction. It also includes an adjustable front handle for added comfort. You can rely on it in various weather conditions. It comes with a 56V 5.0Ah battery and a standard charger. The tool has a 5-year warranty, and the battery has a 3-year warranty. This ensures you're covered for years to come. What we like. This system offers versatility with its multi-head design, including both a trimmer and an edger. The weather-resistant construction ensures durability in various conditions. If you have diverse landscaping needs and appreciate a single tool for multiple tasks, then this is the ideal option. What people say. It cuts better with more power than my Toro gas trimmer. I edged approximately 75 yards in length. It's the first time I used an edger on my neighbor's sidewalk and mine, including my driveway. It cut like a hot knife going through warm butter. The battery did not even get to half charge yet. Number 3. EWORK 20V Cordless String Trimmer. This trimmer features auto feed line technology, so you never have to stop and adjust the line. The protective cover and gasket help protect your flowers and lawn ornaments from damage. The EWORK Cordless Weed Whacker comes with a 2.0Ah lithium-ion battery and a UL-certified charger. You can enjoy over 35 minutes of continuous use with it. This trimmer has a new ergonomic design, suitable for everyone. It easily converts between trimming and edging modes with its adjustable body, handle, and cutting head. You can easily complete the mowing according to the space and comfortable angle needs. This lawn trimmer is equipped with independent support wheels. The wheels make trimming straighter and easier, giving your yard a professional look. The EWORK Weed Eater comes with a powerful 20V battery and charger, which can be used with any other tool in the EWORK series. It also includes 6 replacement spools to help you complete your yard work. The EWORK lawn trimmer includes a 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer service. They will help you solve any problems related to the product, installation, or use. What we like. This trimmer boasts an auto feed line system, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. It easily converts between trimming and edging modes. If you are looking for a user-friendly and adaptable tool for your lawn care, this is a great choice. What people say. The string trimmer is lightweight and easy to use. The battery life is excellent, allowing for extended use without needing to recharge. The trimmer's design is well balanced, making it comfortable to handle for long periods. Number 2. Anleolife 5-pound trimmer line. This trimmer line is designed to slice through heavier weeds and thicker grass. It helps you get the job done quickly and efficiently, saving you time and effort. Made from tough nylon 66 copolymer, this line is built for impact power and strength. It's designed to withstand the rigors of regular use in your yard. This trimmer line is a perfect replacement for various trimmers. It works with gas and electric models from brands like Husqvarna, Ryobi, and more. With this line, maintaining a neat and tidy garden is easier than ever. It's robust, efficient, and simple to use, helping you achieve a professional look. The built-in line cutting tool provides convenient and quick line cuts. You'll experience zero line loss, making your trimming tasks more efficient. What we like. This trimmer line is designed for efficient cutting through tough weeds and grass. The built-in line cutter adds convenience. If you have a large yard with heavy vegetation and want to save time, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The string trimmer has a powerful motor. The trimmer is easy to use. The battery life is long. Number 1. Anleolife .095-inch twisted trimmer line. This is the Anleolife .095-inch twisted trimmer line. It's designed to make your trimming tasks easier and more efficient. This line is a must-have for any homeowner or professional. The 3-layer square twisted design adds strength and reduces noise. This design also improves efficiency and minimizes vibrations, giving you a cleaner cut. It's built to last and perform. The aerodynamic design reduces turbulence and extends runtime. This feature makes it practically indestructible, ensuring it can handle tough jobs. You'll get more done with less effort. This trimmer line is a perfect replacement for all gas and electric trimmers. It works with brands like Husqvarna, Ryobi, and many more. It's a versatile solution for all your trimming needs. It comes with a built-in line cutter for quick and convenient cuts. This feature guarantees zero line loss, saving you time and money. It's all about making your job easier. What we like. This trimmer line features a twisted design for reduced vibration and a cleaner cut. Its aerodynamic design increases runtime. If you prioritize a smooth and efficient trimming experience, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Seems to work better than the stock round string on my Eco string trimmer, more trimming before the line wears down. The square design helps the motor spin faster by cutting air resistance more than round string does. Plus, the sharp plastic edges cut better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.